In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Connecteam to Xero. To get started, open your Connecteam Launchpad and head into the time clock area because that's where the Xero integration is managed. Before you actually connect the two platforms, take a moment to verify that your payroll cycles match in both systems. This is important because if the payroll periods don't line up, you can run into export errors later. In Connecteam, go to your time clock settings, open the payroll tab, and confirm the payroll period you're using. Then in Xero, go to payroll, then payroll settings, and then calendars to make sure the payroll frequency matches exactly. It's a small detail, but it can save you a lot of troubleshooting. Once that's confirmed, go back to Connecteam and stay inside the time clock settings, scroll down and choose integrations from the sidebar. This is where you'll enable the connection to Xero. Next, click on Xero and choose the correct region for your account, such as AU, UK, or NZ. After that, click Connect. You'll be prompted to sign in to Xero and approve data sharing between the two platforms. Make sure you select the correct organization if you manage more than one, and then allow access so Connecteam can send payroll-related information to Xero. After the connection is established, Connecteam will begin matching users automatically based on employee names and email addresses. Review these matches carefully. If any employees are left unmatched, you'll need to resolve them manually. And if there's anyone you don't want included in the sync, you can choose the option to not include that user. The next part is setting up your pay rules. You'll choose how Connecteam should export hourly data. One option is to show pay rules only, which is useful if you want hours grouped by things like standard weekdays or weekends. The other option is to show pay rules by job, which gives you a more detailed breakdown based on specific job tasks. From there, match your Connecteam pay rules to the correct earning rates in Xero. Then map your time off settings by matching your Connecteam paid time off policies with the corresponding leave types in Xero. This helps make sure leave data is transferred correctly along with regular work hours. Once everything is set up, go to the Timesheets tab in Connecteam, select the date range and the employees you want to include, then click Export to Xero. That will send your payroll data over in one click. After your first export, it's a good idea to review the results in Xero to confirm everything mapped correctly.